1 meal in 10 minutes, then you have to make my Chinese prawn and cabbage stir fry. Let's go. Chop up your cabbage. Now you want to chop up your mushrooms. You want to saute that in 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Add in greens, cabbage, mushrooms, stir fry that. You're going to get all the juices out of that. Now you want to add in your prawns. You want to stir fry that now. Now you want to add in your garlic powder or fresh garlic. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir fry that. Cover. And there you got it. Food in less than 10 minutes. I know what we're making for tonight. This is gorgeous. Yummy.